Good afternoon. I'm Bastien from BVN Real Estate in San Juan del Sur. We are here this afternoon in a neighborhood called El Loro. So it's East San Juan del Sur, 3 kilometers. And we are 1.5 kilometers inside this community. We are looking a lot of 4.5 manzana. So 4.4 manzana will be like 7.5 acres. We are here on the road access, and what we will see, it's all this hill over here has an ocean view to offer. So my entrance gate was over there, 100 meters from here. I followed this road for 50 meters more to arrive on the first stage. Here is the house of the caretaker, and it's also of course included in the deal. It means that it goes with the sale. So today this listing is present at $90,000. So it's clearly a place to install a few houses over these top hills, and we will have on this side ocean view. So I'm going in. Let's see the view we have together. Banana trees, plantain and sweet banana are here. What do we have next? On trees, might have some tamarindo trees. Here papayas, okay, some cactus. So ocean view is on this side. I see already the Christ statue. We'll see it together. Oh, buenos días. No, lo pueden dejar, está bien. ¿Cómo están? Here you have the family house, so wood house. The wood might be from the property. And I go up here, and from here I start to see the bay of San Juan del Sur. So the sun is not the best today. Let's see if I can zoom. Okay, so I have this large area. It's a soft hills and the road has been done. So all over me I have a 180 degrees view facing here San Juan del Sur. On my right north you see the internet tower on this side at the entrance of Las Nubes, and I was bad, sorry, excuse me. So we see back again here the internet tower of San Juan del Sur. Straight here the bay and the south part. So as I said, it's almost we are I think around 8 acres. So here we have a ravine on the side. We have this other hill in front of us. And we have this large band of at least 1 acre or 2, large enough where you could have like several houses there. So it could be actually very interesting to develop. And you have a house with ocean view, one after each other over there, facing west, facing the ocean, facing the bay of San Juan. We see on the right part there is the statue of San Juan del Sur. And my entrance road was just below us. Could it be 60 meters below us? Access by here, where the guys walk. So the house over there in wood is included. Doesn't big, but already connected to a well. And we are, it was like a 10-minute drive to arrive from city centers, or 8-minute drive, could it be? Okay, see you, goodbye.